I'll be showing you how to set up the confirmation page. So to navigate to that area, you'll go to the navigation menu, set up appointments and emails, and the confirmation page. From here, you'll see the fields in which you can customize what your confirmation page looks like. This is the landing page your clients will arrive on when they confirm their appointment from a text or an email. So for example, this would be a great a place to put things like your logo, maybe details about parking, current promotions you're running, how to cancel or reschedule your appointment if something does come up, what your cancellation policy is. This is a great spot to put all that information. We do not recommend putting that information in your reminders or in your notifications. So for example, how this works is if this is your email about your reminder, you'll just click to confirm. So this is what your client would see on the confirmation page, and you can see that's very similar to what appears here. And that is the confirmation page. As always, don't forget to save and have a great day.